I'm Dave Donald with Origin Acoustics, and this year we're featuring a number of new products, including the new Explorer Collection. This is truly a marine-grade loudspeaker. We've taken the technology from our Director Collection, and we've taken all kinds of efforts to be able to make them weatherproof. That includes the grill, it includes the mounting ring, and it includes all the componentry inside. As a matter of fact, when we get right down to the board level components all being coated, going to a Phoenix connector to make it more secure, because we realize in marine applications you've got vibrations and whatnot that are going to cause this to disconnect, so giving us a better connection there, and then also even a more solid connection as it goes into the ring itself. So this is fantastic. Now, interestingly enough, this is not strictly for marine applications. We have a lot of people who want to use these in high moisture environments, saunas, bathrooms, pool areas, any place where water is going to be splashed or get upon them. They love the idea that it's marine grade. It's just easier to be able to sell it into those applications. So consider that. That's the reason that we've done it not only in applications like you see here, but you will see other products like dual tweeters and so forth that will enter this collection as well. It's the Explorer Collection from Origin Acoustics. At Origin Acoustics, one of the greatest growth areas have been those loudspeakers we're using outdoors. Larger and larger outdoor systems have become incredibly popular. Here we're introducing what we call the Bollard. What this is a satellite speaker attached directly to its own dedicated subwoofer. So each speaker is a 6-inch subwoofer and then a 4.5-inch two-way that is firing down into a lens. This lens creates a 360-degree dispersion, but you also have the ability to put an insert in and turn that into 180 degrees in case you want to be using it in a border application. You don't want the sound to spill over into the opposite side. Here you can see the speaker actually installed, where the subwoofer again is buried underneath the ground. It is available in either a square or a round application and in 3 different finishes: the bronze, the silver, and the black. Also, this entire sleeve can easily be removed, so if you wanted to take it out and have it painted, for example, to an auto painter who would take that and make it any color you wanted, if you wanted to be able to powder coat it, anything that the homeowner may desire is feasible with this particular product. It's the Bollard from Origin Acoustics. The Marquee System from Origin Acoustics is designed for those applications where the customer wants the absolute best. We're talking about the finest materials, the finest enclosures. Everything about this is absolutely no holds barred. Here you can see the LCR, which includes 2 8-inch drivers, 2 5-inch drivers, and a compression driver. 99 dB efficient in its own extruded aluminum enclosure. There are 3 of those across the front in this particular application. If you took the center out of this, the 2 5s and the compression driver, then you would have the actual side and rear channel speakers, which could also be used in smaller theaters as LCRs. On top of that, 15-inch subwoofers driven by their own dedicated 1,000-watt amplifiers to round out the bottom end. And then for Dolby height channels, we have a dedicated Marquee 10-inch in-ceiling 3-way system that uses the same type of componentry that you see here to be able to give it a balanced sound throughout the theater. It's Marquee from Origin Acoustics.